part 2 of trading today. So as you have seen from the first video, I hit max loss on my main account, the main one that I've been trading with for about 2 weeks now. My first big loss on it, unfortunately. So I wasn't able to trade the rest of the day, so I had a second count and a second combine that I'm able to trade with. This is something I wouldn't recommend trading after you've had a max loss because you're emotional. I was not happy. I was revenge trading here. Luckily, it turned out perfect for me. This is not my normal trading ability, so I just want to make that clear. This is not anything normal for me. But on this second account, I was able to make $42.91 today off one day, which is pretty great, you know, like, yay. I wish I could have done that on my main account. It got funded. But I'm just going to talk about the trades here because like this is probably the only day I'm ever going to see this kind of returns. I wish it was a real account, not a combine. So I was trading 15 contracts. I was pretty riled up from losing so much. I'm like, you know, I might as well go for it. So I made $16.50 here, got a nice blast off there. Made another good, it popped above this, so I decided to get back in, made another 1,500 there. Here I was able to make another 10.50, so just waited for it to break. It looked pretty strong coming back up. Here I did made a mistake. I decided to average down, which worked out for me this time, but got in here, got in there, started averaging down because I thought it was going to pop. Luckily it popped right back up. Was able to make a decent profit. It's kind of hard to show here because they're all separate trades, but I did make quite a couple $100 there as well, which brought me up to around, I think it was like 3,000 something, 3,800, which I'll look at that in the bottom in a second. And then here I just did some one contract trades, $35 and $25. Most of my money came from this. So my only 2 losses were from these average down. So on all the combined trades, that was like 100%, but I made 80% just because of those last 2, which I'm happy with. You know, I'm happy. Like the fees were low, the profit was great. You know, I was trading amazing. I wish I could trade like this every day on my main account. I was only down $68 at my lowest point and just blasted off from there. As you can see with the fees, it's $29.91. So with this account, I didn't really trade on it before, so I'm about halfway there on the combine, which I'm pretty happy about now. I have 2 accounts that are pretty close to about the halfway point, so if I can get either one funded, that would be amazing. I did only trade the NASDAQ, which again was a mistake. I didn't follow any of my plan here. I didn't trade the ES like I wanted to. I just traded with no plan, and I was angry trading, and it just worked out for me. So this is something I shouldn't do in the future. But luckily, this time it turned out really good for me. I'm really happy with the results, but I can't expect this in the future to be consistent because revenge trading is never a good thing. Usually it ends up in loss, and you're sad, and it's even worse. So I lost this account too. I've been in a pretty bad place, so I'm glad that this one worked out. I got to learn from this, though. Not have max losses generally, and not revenge trade on my second account if I do hit max loss. So that's a learning moment for me, but I wanted to share this as well, just to show you what's going on. I want to be transparent there. So first account was a blow up. This account did really well, but I just wanted to post this for you, just to keep you in the loop there. But I hope this was helpful. Hope this was entertaining, and good luck with your trades.